While I'm put the dumpling dough on the side, let me move right into the second step, making dumpling fillings. I will use this 1 pound ground pork. Also, I will add this pork belly into the ground pork because the ground pork looks like very lean. So I need to add a little bit of fat to make the dumpling filling more smooth, and a little bit of oil will prevent the dryness of the dumpling filling. If you don't have the pork belly like this, then you can just add maybe 2 tablespoons vegetable oil into the mix. Well, I have this chive I got from the Asian market. This is a very traditional dumpling filling, chive with pork. So I will wash the chive, then cut into very small pieces, then mix them together with seasonings. Let me get started. Now the chive has been cleaned and chopped in small pieces, and also the pork belly also chopped as very small pieces. I mix with the ground pork together. If you have a food processor, it will be much easier to make the pork belly grounded. I don't have it, so I just chop by hand. Okay, so first I will add some seasoning to the pork. I'll add about 1 teaspoon of the salt, some bouillon powder, 2 tablespoons, then some light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. Then I will just mix them together first. I don't add the chive right now when I put the seasoning because I don't want the chive gets too watery. Once they have salt, the chive gets too watery. So first I just mix the meat together with seasonings. Just like that. Then I will add the chive back to the pork. Then add more soy sauce. I will add about 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Then mix them together. There's a different kind of dumpling fillings, like Chinese leaves with grounded pork, carrots with grounded beef, yellow onion or white onion with grounded lamb meat. The chive with grounded pork is what I grown up with. Dumplings are very well balanced dish, especially for kids doesn't like to eat vegetables. We just feed them with dumplings, then they got some vegetables. Did you have any problem making your kids eat vegetable? How do you do to make them eat vegetables? Leave your comment below. Okay. The dumpling filling is done. I will leave this on the side. Then I will work on the dough to make dumpling wrapper. If you like my video, please give a thumb up and subscribe to my channel.